Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing one of our newest listings over here in Treviso Bay. This is 4737 Trevi Court. It's a Bellini floor plan, and it is the former model home the developer had here. Everything that you see in this video is included with the sale of this unit. Let's walk inside and take a look at the Bellini floor plan. What you'll notice here to begin with is updated lighting fixtures in your hallway, paint scheme, and also wainscoting. The Bellini here is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, right around 1,200 square foot condo, great room design. And as you walk in to the right, you have your master bedroom. That's a king-size suite there. You notice the updated painting here is a very pastel type of green color throughout the unit. You're gonna have a couple closets here. You're gonna have a walk-in style closet here in your master. And then directly across, you're gonna have a coat style closet here. And then you've got your master bath here. You're gonna have the single sink, the commode, and you also have the standalone shower. Now coming back out into the main hallway area, directly across from the master is your guest bedroom. And you'll notice the wood inlay there. Nice features here in this former model. And right off the guest bedroom here is the guest bath with the single sink commode, and then you have the combination tub and shower here. Now back out into the hallway, you've got the laundry area. So you have a full-size washer and dryer that does come with this, and some additional storage above. And this opens up nicely into your great room design here with the Bellini floor plan. Nice and open from the kitchen to your great room. And some of the things that you'll notice is the continued woodwork, picture type framing here that runs all along the side, as well as over here in what they've converted into a den type area. That is a sleeper sofa there, so you can sleep an additional few folks while you're entertaining here. You get a full appliance package here, stainless appliances, granite countertops. Got this nice eating kitchen overlooking the views here of the lake at Trevi Court. And your kitchen here overlooks the great room, which is really nice and open floor plan. And one of the best things about this unit here, not only that it's already furnished, everything comes with it, you have all the extra detail, but you're gonna get this awesome view out of the back here. So we are on the 3rd floor here, and as we come outside, you've got this huge lake view. And you can see how it wraps around. Got a couple nice chairs out here to enjoy the outdoors. And also something to keep in mind as well, the sunsets are gonna be right out this way. So what you're seeing right now, the blue skies, a little bit later, that's gonna be a beautiful sunset view for you. All right, guys, so this is unit 4737 over here in Treviso Bay, one of our newest listings here. You can see all the information about this listing down below, as well as our contact information. If you're interested in purchasing this condo, or we can help you maybe find another place in one of the Lennar communities here in Southwest Florida, just reach out to us at the contact information below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.